Are you in a sales slump? No matter how long you've been in sales and how good you are at selling, it happens to almost all of us from time to time. Things don't always go according to plan. So what can you do when you're in a sales slump, and how do you dig yourself out of it? Here's some tips. First of all, remind yourself that you've been in a similar situation before and eventually it turned around. Either because you made that happen or the situation changed almost of its own accord and with very little input from you. And it will change this time too. And to speed up the process, lift yourself up, raise your attitude and your game by watching 1 or 2 videos in this motivation section of this portal. Focus on being positive, because if you focus on what's going wrong, you'll simply attract more of it. Ask yourself, are you keeping strictly to your proven effective sales process, or are you missing out on some steps? Also, ask yourself if the market you're operating in and the state of the economy means you should be re-evaluating the effectiveness of your process and maybe making a few changes and improvements. And maybe you need to sharpen up some of your sales skills and watch some relevant videos here. Also, go visit your regular customers if you have them. Get up to date with what's going on in their business. Maybe you'll discover other ways you can help them and sell more to them. And always at the end of every meeting, ask for referrals. And on the subject of customers, if you don't have regular customers, go visit some old ones you've maybe neglected to keep in touch with. You may be very pleasantly surprised as to what's changed in their business and the opportunities for you. The bottom line is you must concentrate on and work with what you are able to control and not get sucked into dwelling on what you cannot control. Moaning and whining about things you cannot control will inevitably prolong your slump. Do what you know you can do and you'll soon be back to selling at your highest levels, if not even better than ever before. And let me finish with these words. Nothing in this world can take the place of determination and persistence. Talent will not. Nothing's more common than unsuccessful people with bags of talent. Genius will not. There are literally millions of poor and unfulfilled geniuses. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are the keys to success. The slogan, "Just press on," has solved and always will solve the problems of the human race and are just as true for sales success.